Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show how to insert an image in Photoshop. Click on File, Open and double click above the image you want to insert. Also we can open by pressing Ctrl O. Select the image and click on Open. If you want to insert an image into this current image, then click on File, Place, select the image, open, resize the image from here. Now click here. That's it for now. If you benefited a little from this video, then make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you.